In this video, we will show you how to replace your transmission torque mount. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is safely make your way underneath the front of the vehicle. You'll notice that I applied a little bit of upward pressure underneath the transmission, being extremely careful not to damage it in any way. The next thing that we're going to do is start dismounting the mount from the transmission area. We'll use a 13mm socket on this bolt right here. Inspect your hardware as you remove it. Replace it as necessary. Now let's continue on to the rearward bolt. For this, you're going to use a 13mm again, but what you'll find is up along the top, there's a 15mm headed nut. Use a wrench up top and your socket along the bottom. Once you have each of your mounting bolts out of there, continue on by safely removing the support from under your transmission. Now you're going to use a pry bar. Come in between your subframe and the transmission, being extremely careful not to damage anything. Now what you'll notice is I can pry in between this area and separate it. There it is, friends. Now it's time to install our brand new mount. Let's carefully put this in place. Pry on the transmission a little bit. Align your mounting bolt holes. Now it's time to start in your mounting bolts. You'll notice that you had two mounting bolts and one was a little longer than the other. We're going to use the short one for the forward mounting bolt. Slide that into position and start it in by hand. You do not need to tighten this at this point. Now it's common to have to shift the transmission around a little bit to get the rearward mounting bolt started in. Go ahead and put the support back underneath the area and raise or lower the transmission as needed to make sure this is as straight as possible as the bolt goes through. Now we can bottom out both of our mounting bolts. Once each of them are snug, torque them to 52 foot-pounds. Remove your transmission support. Okay friends, you fully installed your mount. At this point, carefully slide out from underneath the vehicle. Take it for a road test. Make sure you don't hear any funny noises. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.